Today, I will introduce to you how to create a new folder without name or icon on desktop. Let's start it from how to create a new folder without name. Create a new folder. Right-click the folder and click Rename. Press the Alt key and type 0160 simultaneously. Remember to use the numeric keypad. After doing this, the folder without a name will be created. Next, let's see how to create a new folder without icon. Right-click the folder and select Properties. Click the Customize tab. Click the Change Icon button. Select the blank icon. Click OK. Then click Apply to apply the changes. If a black square appears, restart computer for the settings to take effect. That's all, thanks for watching.